Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn the use of enum. How we can create enum also. Enum is a very old concept. We have learned this concept in C languages also. But here we just remember that what is the use of this. So in Typescript also you can create enum. So what we do enum, and here suppose I say days, and in days I just do Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, Saturday, like this. Save this and I just display this console.log and I say enum. Sorry, I say days. Save this and here I just run this on watch mode, and here we have to check the display of this. When you see we are displaying this with the help of index, you see Sunday is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So by default in enum this index value of this Sunday start from 0. So can we change it? Yes, you can change it. Just do equal to 1. Save this and you will see the output that now if I display it, if I display this, so it will start from the 1, you see, starting from the 1, like this way. The CLS once again started and you see we start from the 1. Can we pass start from 10? Yes, you can start from 10 also. Any number you can start. You see. So can we give individual value? Yes, you can give individual value also, like 10, 20, then we have 30, then we have 40, then we have 50. Save this and start once again. You see, after 50 all other having 51 and 52, because it will increment by this. After 50 it will 51 and 52. So can we give the string value also? Try to give. We say hello, then again we say here hi. Save this and try to execute once again. You see we can also give string value. So what is the use of this? Use is very simple. Just we create a one variable, we say let and we say Sunday, and I can give this value to days dot Sunday, like this. And here I can say, in place of Sunday I can say weekday, and here I can display weekday and I run it. You see we have a value 10 because I have a 10 here. So like that way we can create enum variable also. We can specify the value, any value we can specify, those are available here, and we can initialize manually also. We can initialize by default also. From 0 index we can initialize text also, and we can create the variable of this. We can use this variable and we can do where we require this enum in our programming. We can use enum anywhere where we require this, like we do in C programming language also. So that's all in this video. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.